Ay. Yes, hello ma'am. Good evening.
Hello. Bakit wala kaming dial doon?
Excuse me, sir. Before anything else, can I get your name, please?
John Lloyd Alvin Escaba.
So, Mr. Gabat, may I help you?
Bakit nga po kaming wala kaming dial doon?
Sir, where is your location?
Pasig.
So, what is the nearest establishment beside your home?
Ako ang pag-isa.
Wait a minute, sir.
Okay.
Oh, hello! Alam mo, may tumawag na naman kanina. Naiinis ako eh. Oo. Oo. Ay, naku. Hayaan mo yun. Basta hintayin mo ako mamaya sa Starbucks. Sige, bye. Sir, thank you for waiting. Sir, ni-report ko na po ito sa action team. Then, mag-expect na lang po kayo ng 2 days. After that, makaka-receive po kayo ng text message regarding to sa problem mo. So, I would suggest that you will turn off your landline for about 3 minutes, sir. Could that be all, sir?
Okay.
Thank you for calling.
Thank you.